project, we're going to need 3/4 inch PEX pipe. We're going to need 3/4 inch PVC pipe, as well as 8 3/4 inch PVC tees. And we're also going to need 3/4 inch PEX coupling. That's this piece right here. This is the PEX pipe and this is the PVC pipe. The difference between these two is that the PEX pipe is flexible. Okay. And the PVC pipe is not flexible. It's sturdy, it's firm. Now, when you buy the PEX pipe, it's gonna come coiled up in the material, and I would suggest you unroll it a little bit, leave it out in the sun, outside in a flat surface for a few days, so that it can soften up into its natural round shape, because when you purchase it, it's actually coiled up really small. And you just lay it flat on the ground. So you're gonna grab your 3/4 inch PEX pipe, and you're gonna cut one at 134 inches long, and then you're gonna grab another piece and you're gonna cut it at 119 inches long. And once you cut it, you're gonna grab the coupling, and you're just gonna put it on one end and just connect it like that. So this is one piece. And that's our smaller one. That's our 119 inches long piece. And then just do the same thing with the long piece. Just grab that connector, put it together, and we have that. I purchased a long piece of PVC pipe, and I just had my husband cut it into the measurements that I needed. And we got 2 pieces at 15 inches. That's these ones right here. So you cut 2 at 15 inches, and then you're gonna cut 2 at 27 inches. And these are the 3/4 inch PVC tees. Here's everything lined out. Here's a quick tip. This thing has letters all the way around. I want to have this facing down so that when the stand is exposed, you don't get to see all the letters, and the letters will actually be on the floor. So you're gonna grab your smaller circle. You're gonna open it, and you're gonna pass through 4 of the teeth. So there we have 4. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tape these 2 together. That's just to secure it, to keep it from pulling apart. And I'm going to use one of the tees to cover this part, and I'm actually going to tape it there. actually not taping it very tight. I'm leaving it a little bit with flexibility because I am going to tighten it later on once everything is put together. So from this part, I'm going to measure 30 inches. That's right here. So that's where my other one's going to be at. I'm only going to take one side for now. So from here we measure another 30 inches. Same thing with the other one. So next we grab our longer piece or wider piece, and we do the same thing. I'm actually going to start with the one where the connection is taped up, and that's where I'm going to do my first T. That's where I'm going to tape it to. Actually, this was going to be flipping down because this is actually going to sit on top of this. So I'm going to flip it over. So from this one to the next one, it's actually going to be 40 inches. The other one was 30, this is going to be 40. And now from this one to the next one, it's going to be 35 and a half about. And this one's going to be about 27. 27 inches. And about 6. And there we have it. So now I'm going to go around the corners and actually tape them and secure them more. Make sure they're all the way in. Just tape all of the connections, like right here, all of these corners, tape them on this side, and do the same thing on all of the joints, same thing on the bottom. So I already went ahead and taped all of these joints right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom ones. Just finished taping all of my corners, my joints. And there it is. One of the things to keep in mind as you're connecting everything together, like I said, I try to have the lettering be on the bottom. That way that wouldn't show on the top. And then same thing with these bars. I have the clean side facing out and the lettering is actually on the inside, and those ones is actually opposite. This side is clean and the letters are actually in the back. But when you look at it like this, you don't get to see the letters. had this stand for about a year, and it has worked for my needs. I don't find like I have to spend over $500 on a stand when this one can do pretty much the same thing. So I thought I would share this little project with you guys out there if anybody's interested in making their own stand. This is the way I made mine, and I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.